Okay, example 3. So in this one, we want to write an equation for the given graph of the sine function. So this is the sine function that they're giving us, and we need to come up with the equation. Now, with this one, this is a standard y equals sine x. This is standard, but what we want to come up with is if there's any value for an a or a. Now, you don't know what the h does yet. The h is going to move things left and right. Right now, this one's not going to have a left or right. We haven't done an example like that. But right now, we're interested in whether or not the a's been changed or the k's been changed. If you take a look at this, you can this goes down to -2, and it's telling you that this line is y equals -2. So that means that the horizontal axis has been shifted down too. That indicates to me that k is -2 because this horizontal axis has been shifted down to -2. Let's take a look at the amplitude. That looks like it's -1, and that looks like it's -3. So it looks like it goes up 1 and it comes down 1. So I think we're going to get the exact same curve if we were to write it out at, well, if it's the amplitude's 1, right? So what I think we're going to end up here with is an a equals 1, which I might not as well write it. And h is going to be 0. We're not even talking about that right now. So we've got that as our equation, which would mean that this equation, or this sine curve, would look like this, just if I shifted it down 2, it would lie on top of what they gave us. And that works for me. All right. These are tricky. You got to think them through, and you got to sort of go through it and figure out all the different parts to it. We'll do another one in a minute.